From the islands to the wide, wide world, no lines in the sand for love. No fence can stop a heartbeat. Love without borders. Morning sunrise on the ocean blue. Same light passion on me and you. Different skin, different sound, still the same heartbeat pound. Mama cry in a distant land. Papa work with rough hard hands. Children dream in every place. Same hope shine in every face. If you feel the rhythm in your soul, you know this life is more than gold. Open your arms, make fear run. Love connect everyone. Love without borders. Cross every line from every heart, from every time. No more, no hate, no reason to fight. Under one sun, one moon, one land. Love without borders. Strong and true, me feel your pain, you feel me too. Love without borders, yeah, we rise as one. I see faces in a city street, some barefoot, some on concrete. Different prayers reach the sky, same tears fall from every eye. Paper lines can't separate. What I make strong, man can't break. When the music start to play, every wall just fade away. Listen close to the drum beat sound. It's a call every nation know. If we stand on side by side, we can hear this world worldwide. Love without borders. Cross every line from every heart, from every time. No shame, so fear, no divide. Love alone get the guide. Love without borders, pure and free. When me and me in you see. Love without borders, yeah, we rise as one. Africa, Asia, Europe, America. I love greats and deserts. Every child deserves a future. Every battle must be there. Too much blood on the earth, I know. Too much sorrow, too much sorrow. Teach the youth them love again, so tomorrow brighter than today. No, 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 no borders, no borders, no borders. One people, one people, one heart, one heart. Love without borders, love without borders, love without borders. Love without borders. Grandmother's story from a long time. Both struggle road and stronger mind. Love without a border. She said, "Child, don't lose your way. Don't lose your way. Dark is night, bring brighter day." So me sing for the broken ones. They sing for the restless sons. Sing for the daughters too. Every dream still coming true. Hold your brother, hold your sister. Every soul your mirror. When we lift one another high, we touch the stars up in the sky. Love without borders. World unite, different colors shining bright. No fear, no change, no divide. We free with love be the guide. Love without borders. Sing it loud, lift it up, pass it round. Love without borders, yeah, we rise as one. So will the world feel heavy sometimes? Just remember this melody. From the highlands to the ends of earth, love